So on this day that we're heading into the new year of 2026, according to the calendar, we want to share that we want to come into this time fully rested and coming into a time of new offerings and new prayers, new thoughts for generations ahead, so that the world can truly come together with peace and be in peace. And I think I would like to share with the world today that, even our grandchildren are from the country of Oman, our grandsons. And so we have great respect for that. In our prayers, we're taught to always be inclusive. And so when we make our prayers, we call on Takushkashka, the great vibration, the sacred movement, some call creator. And we call on Wopre, the the laws, the laws of our Lakota women, the mother law. We call on the male and the female as we go forward. And in there, we also remember those that are across the great oceans and those that live in those homeland territories on the other side of the ocean. And so since time immemorial, we've spoken in those lines of prayer so that it's all inclusive. We're praying for peace, that the children of the world will grow up in a better time, and that the things that are going on today are going to be in the past, and that perhaps those who are causing those things to happen will have their hearts softened, and so that they can think for generations ahead. Those little children that are growing up in those homeland territories, and that those children are going to be happy, and they'll have precious good food to eat and precious good water to drink, and always be looking toward the future, because that's what we're taught. 7 generations is not that long. Today, we're living longer and longer time. And so maybe we'll be all blessed and happy to see our 7th generation. In some cases, that's possible. We've witnessed it. So I would like to share that with you today. And I'm going to be making a short prayer to the future in behalf of our grandchildren, in behalf of the little children of the world, because we've had good lives. Today, we sit as elders because over the course of our lives, we stood up for what we believe in, but we also had the courage to stand up for ourselves, so that we bring about to ourselves the idea of positive collaboration toward reciprocity, and have a respect for one another in those lines, so that we can help each other. So I'm just going to say about that much, and I want to encourage all who are hearing this to have that kindness, compassion in your heart, so that we can share. We can always be in a sharing mode. Hoia te wa kantakahe te wapiki le. Ho ta kuskaska o na wo prilna. Traje chatapi, lechtatu, lehi o hiani, le ampetu, le na disko ya tangashla, tuktelon goya pia jecha, tangashla cha ushu chala kinti watching cheer. Doctor na og pani pinia so which hajiche. Ho you ko we checking tai watching chapi. Ho heche wa kaya ja, tangashla haje. Dukteni Lord Chiunkdishni, Dukteni Tunkashlahachel, Otechika, Oyonkdishni, Tunkashlahachel, Washtewa Jelahachel, Yanko Kihi, Ujima Kakanana, Unkoyampi, Unshu Lakapie. Oyate Ushika Heon Chapikat, Tunkashlahachel, Duktektel Hachel, Ozuya Yanke, Yankantunkashlahachel, Okaja, Chalaka, Ona Hachel, Kushkalaka, and Kushkalaka, Ostiste. Heche uchoni ekigna ka tangashla heche. Lena heche wana he ha hena yanking to shni watching chi. Inchi he wola kuta wa heche tu Johanna ujimpi. Duktekte na papa kel oyampi tangashla heche. Tiwa tiogna ka tag taglap chimpis na cheche o yung kan na okiwi chayang ti watching chi. Lena hena heche dukte ho kana koni chaka pongkhan na pelon koni chagna kana ho eches unshuna kapie. Holena eche guha monik te yung kantakash la eche unshuna kapie. Ho hena eche dukte. Ho mitaku yo yasi all my relations.
Oh.